Thakur this side and I am back again with Daily Market Bites with StockDaddy, where I will provide you with the daily stock market news. तो चलिए बिना किसी देरी के let's get started. During the pre-market opening session, that is before 9 AM, SGX Nifty was trading at 18,443. वहीं अगर हम निफ्टी की बात करें तो प्री ओपनिंग सेशन के बाद निफ्टी 18,362 पर ओपन हुआ एंड बैंक निफ्टी 42,234 पर ओपन हुआ. Indian stock markets ended higher today with the broader Nifty 50 index closing at 18,403, its third highest close ever. Sensex rose 248 points to 61,872, its highest ever on a closing basis, and the Bank Nifty also made the highest ever closing of 42,372 with a gain of 295 points. Now let's talk about the most awaited market highlights, that is who were the top gainers and losers in Nifty 50. Let's start with today's top gainers. So as you can see on screen, Power Grid, ONGC, ICICI Bank, Bharti Airtel and Hero Motor Corp. So आज बुल्स का पार्टिसिपेशन इन स्टॉक्स में सबसे ज्यादा देखने को मिला. अब बात करते हैं मार्केट के टॉप लूजर्स की. आज के टॉप लूजर्स हैं HDFC लाइफ, ग्रासिम, सिप्ला, ITC एंड UPL. तो हम कह सकते हैं कि बियर्स का पार्टिसिपेशन इन स्टॉक्स में सबसे ज्यादा देखने को मिला. Now let's talk about some important microeconomic events. India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi discussed global and regional developments in meeting with U.S. President Joe Biden on Tuesday at the G20 summit in Indonesia. They discussed sectors like critical and emerging technologies. They also expressed satisfaction about close cooperation between India and US in new groupings such as Quad and 1-2-U2. A decline in merchandise export in some sectors led to a contraction in the country's overall outbound shipments by 16.65% to $29.78 billion in October, while the merchandise trade deficit widened to $26.91 billion from $25.71 billion in the previous month. Now let's talk about some major macroeconomic events. Global stocks were mostly higher today. Wall Street futures were higher on hopes of easing U.S.-China tensions after the American and Chinese presidents met at the G20 summit. The Fed hopes for an easing of U.S.-Chinese tensions over securities, trade, technology and human rights. तो ये थी आज के मार्केट से जुड़ी कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट अपडेट्स. अगर आप जानना चाहते हैं कि कल मार्केट का बिहेवियर कैसा रह सकता है तो रेफर टू आवर वीडियो निफ्टी एंड बैंक निफ्टी प्रेडिक्शन, जिसका लिंक नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया है. एंड ऐसी ही और भी इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियोस के लिए फॉलो StockDaddy.